restless and dynamic. Continents shift and clash. Volcanoes erupt. Glaciers grow and recede. Titanic forces that are constantly at work, leaving behind a trail of geological mysteries.
Now, scientists are saying that over the past 3 months, water temperatures in the North Atlantic have set new records. Not only has that created problems for marine life in the region, but it's also expected to affect air temperatures worldwide.
The two biggest hazards from any volcanic cataclysm are ash and volcanic gases, and they would affect the whole world. The ash would cover the world, completely blocking sunlight. It would also cause massive crop failures, leading to a global food shortage. And as if things couldn't get any worse, the toxic volcanic gases would create acid rain. The rain would make the oceans even more acidic, killing off coral reefs. Marine life would suffer an extinction event. The worst part is that we can't predict volcanic eruptions.
Let's speak now to Samantha Burgess, a deputy director at the Copernicus Climate Change Service. It provides the EU with information about climate change. Welcome. We do know that oceans go through natural cycles of heating and cooling. What makes this latest temperature rise so alarming?
Hi there, and thank you. Yes, so there is an annual cycle in the climate of our planet, both the land temperatures and the ocean temperatures. And normally the maximum ocean temperatures are in August in the Northern Hemisphere summer, but we're seeing very high ocean temperatures at the moment in early June, and much higher than what you would normally see for this time of year. In addition to that, particularly in the North Atlantic region, ocean water temperatures are much higher.
Hello everybody. The eruption in Iceland continues, with its most recent show being a crater collapse, which was pretty cool to say the least. After this crater collapse, the lava began flowing out the northeast end of the crater. On July 19th, at around 4 a.m. local time, the northeast part of the crater collapsed.
And in the other hemisphere, in the southern hemisphere, particularly in the Pacific Ocean, we also have the developing El Niños. We have very high sea surface temperatures that formed off the coast of Ecuador and Peru, and now they're spiking across the equatorial Pacific. And we're expecting this El Nino signal to continue to develop. We don't know how strong a El Nino is going to be, but this means we'll see higher temperatures in the Indo-Pacific later this year, which may also lead to other impacts like coral bleaching, where again, we'll see massive loss of life on coral reefs in the Indo-Pacific region.
There's so much at stake here. Thank you for joining us to talk about it. That is Samantha Burgess from the Copernicus Climate Change Service.
Nearly 15,000 people in the Philippines have been evacuated from their homes since a volcano began spewing hot lava.
A monstrous eruption which has left its mark on our planet. When Hunga Tonga Hunga Ha'apai blew its top in January, it scattered water vapour and ash halfway to space and sent tsunami waves swelling out across the world.
And just explain for our international viewers, what is it about measuring the sea surface temperature that makes it such a critical metric to help us understand the state of the global climate?
So temperature in all forms is a really useful measure of climate change. But we know through science that the ocean has absorbed 90% of the excess heat from extra greenhouse gases in the atmosphere.
One of Earth's most intriguing mysteries is the presence of a huge arc of geological destruction surrounding the Pacific. It is known as the Ring of Fire. 3/4 of Earth's volcanoes are situated here, and 90% of all earthquakes also occur along this line. Over the last 200 years, disasters here have claimed over 1 million lives.